Have you ever had an idea in a rehearsal and kept it to yourself? A lot of musicians do. They don't want to upset anyone or they don't feel experienced enough. But one thing I've learned over the years is that some of the best ideas come from people who simply spoke up. Maybe the band's playing too loud. Maybe someone's missed an important cue, or maybe you've got an idea that could make the song work better. If your comment's constructive and it's helping the music, then don't be afraid to share it. You don't have to have all the answers, and you don't need to be the most experienced person in the room. So don't keep good ideas to yourself. That's often how bands improve, and sometimes that's where the best ideas come from.